One of the feedbacks that I received in the comments, it was like, oh, you're so talented, love your work, but you know, next time don't talk so much, reduce the talking. My light just died. Oh my gosh. Let's do this again. All right. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Loa Baby. If you're new here, my name is Loa, but I go by Loa Baby. There was some time ago when somebody made a YouTube tutorial video also making my hat, and they started the video with like, oh, one of my favorite designers made a tutorial, and I was like, she's talking about me, like I'm the favorite designer. Stop it. Like, that's so sweet. Like, it's just, oof, everybody's words been touching my heart. I'm so soft. Oh my gosh. Ugh, soft. I can't help it. I can't help it. Okay, listen. I wanted to make another video because there were a bunch of comments asking for an even slower tutorial. And thank you everyone for all your comments and your questions and all your helpful tips and notes to make my crochet videos better in general. Here's what I gathered from what everybody said. I'm a visual learner as well, so I understand like you need to see what exactly I'm doing to be able to really get what I'm talking about, especially because I just I'm not good with the terminologies, etc. And thank you to everybody in the comments that's been helping me with the terminology and like putting what I'm doing and thinking into words, into correct crochet terms and words. Thank you for that. I appreciate it. Based on the feedback that I received, I decided it would be better for me to just make a crochet video where it's literally just me focusing on the visual, and then I used on-screen text to explain what's going on. I think that would be better for both, you know, you and me. This video, I actually just kind of decided to make it spur of the moment type of thing. So that's why I have nails, and it's like, I can crochet with nails. I do what I do. I do everything with nails, but usually when I get my nails done, it's like I'm taking a pause from crocheting, but y'all know me, I can't help it. I just felt like crocheting and I wanted to make a tutorial, so I made a tutorial. Let me show y'all the hat that I made. This is the hats. This is the hats. Okay, it's funny because like one of the feedbacks that I received in the comments, it was like, oh, you're so talented, love your work, but you know, next time don't talk so much, reduce the talking. What? I was like, damn. Like, I do talk a lot, but like I'm allowed to do that because this is like my channel. Like, yeah, I'm gonna talk a lot. That's what I do. Like, damn. But okay, I get it. Like, if you're here for just a tutorial, but it's like one, you could like 2x it, you know, 3x. You could speed up the video, you could ramp it up, or or you could just use the chapters, because I feel like most of my videos, I would say at least 90% of my videos have chapters, so you can literally skip to the part like this right here, this chit chat. If you don't want to listen to me chit chatting right now, skip to the video, skip to the start of the tutorial. But don't tell me to stop talking. Like, that's mad rude. Don't do that. Anyways, so this is the hat that I made today. This is what like a regular Chelly hat would look like. This is what a regular Chelly hat looks like. This is like an ivory sage one that I remade for a customer. This is the one that I made today. I made it like this because one, it matches my nails, duh, and two, I wanted to like use different colors to signify like the different parts of the crochet tutorial. So yeah, that's what the chapters are also outlined in. So I'm going to teach you how to make the top part, the downwards part, the beanie part, and then the brim. So yeah, I used ribbon yarn, which is the yarn that I used to make my balaclavas, which I released last week. Yeah, I released my balaclavas last week. Let me show y'all this pink balaclava that's about to drop. Hasn't even dropped yet, so I guess y'all get like the first preview, first sneak peek. All right, check this out. This is the pink velour balaclava. Ooh, yeah. I'm just gonna like hover it above my head. I don't want to put it on my head because I'm going to dinner and I don't want to mess up my hair. So yeah, this is it. This is it. I'll put a picture of the black one here and maybe like the teal one here. So cute, I know. Anyways, I love the ribbon yarn. It's something I've been experimenting with for like months now. I love the way it crochets. It's much easier for me to use it to teach you guys how to make this because it's just clearer to see stuff. Like, you know, it's not fuzzy. It's not like fuzzy like the Chelly hat. Like the yarn doesn't pull or anything. It's just straight up like taunt ribbon. I used the ribbon yarn to do this tutorial to also show you that you can use any type of yarn, honestly, and you can use any type of hook, yarn size, whatever. You just kind of have to adjust it to, you know, the right customizations. I think that's it basically. Yeah, you know, so you wanted a slower, detailed, better angle of the camera and less talking. Yeah, that's it. Again, I want to say thank you to everybody that subscribed to my channel. If you've been subscribed from day one, if you just subscribed yesterday, today, right now, subscribe right now. Thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Anyways, I'm gonna go to dinner while you guys watch this crochet video. I hope you enjoy. Bye.
I'm gonna play you a couple of tunes. Let's get into it. 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 Let's get into it.
look at this really cool thing I did to my vase. Isn't it so cool? Oh, there we go. Yeah, I'm gonna put my plant in it once I can like make sure it's like super dry.